Okay. So oh, I lost it. Now I don't know what I'm reading. So there's 3 types of chatbots that we're going to be able to make during the course that we're going to be working on during the course. So we have a text chatbot. A text chatbot is a very basic. Usually you find it on Facebook Messenger. It's a way of communicating with text messages back and forth. The intermediate course is going to develop an Alexa skill or a Google Home action. And those voice skills are slightly different in the design process than text skills. And the expert course is going to work on creating a virtual avatar. So, and that's going to be, and each one of these is a unique, requires a unique design process. So the process for designing for a video avatar is going to be different than for a Alexa skill and then for a text experience. And Miri is going to show you now a sneak peek of our no-code studio editor where you can combine, and we'll be working on it during the course. Take it away, Miri.
Okay, so this is the hub, as you can see. So I said before, every on the hub, you'll be able to see small, like Lego bricks. So one would be if you want to have lead generation, to have the name and an email of your users, or if you want to have them registered and stuff like that. Or if you want, you can create your whole, your brand new component and say, let's do hi, and remove my notebook. Welcome to Coco Hub. Are you a robot? And then I'm going to connect this because the entry is the first part of the conversation. And then when this is done, so will connect it to a navigation. So it will be able to navigate whatever the user says. So let's say,
reinforce that, Miri, by saying that the navigation node is and you can keep on doing is creating it while I'm doing it. The navigation node is the anticipated follow-ups, meaning every time the chatbot says something. So the chatbot here says, hi, welcome to Coco Hub. Are you a robot? And then it pauses, it stops, it waits for the user to respond. Not you, you can keep on going, you're fine. And so as conversation designers, over time and with experience, we understand that users fall into, all users will answer basically the same things if you prompt them in a correct way. So what Miri's doing here is she's giving the natural follow-ups to, are you a robot? So what could be the natural follow-ups to someone asking you, are you a robot? Yes, I'm a robot. No, I'm not a robot. Why are you asking me if I'm a robot? Or blueberries. They could just say blueberries because people are weird and they say weird stuff all the time. So Miri is, what she's doing right now is she's designing the navigation so she'll be able to understand and give a unique answer to each person as they, the classes of answers. So a yes, a no, and in the yes we have, it's an intent. So in the yes you have yeah, sure, you bet, anything that means yes, synonyms of yes. In the no we have synonyms of no. No, no way, not a chance, never. And then we have something called a wild card, and that's a magical intent. It's everything. Everything that's not yes and that's not no falls into wild card. So you know that no matter what they say, if they say blueberries, you're gonna catch it. Sorry, Mary, go ahead.
Okay, so while Jason was talking, I was creating this. I just randomly picked just for you to be able to see it. During the course, we'll also explain the color distinctions. So some of them are blue, some of them are purple, and some are red, as you can see on the screen. But as Jason said, I put the yes intent here. So if a user will say yeah or sure or anything that means yes, they'll go to this one, and our chatbot will ask it some questions about its name and email. If it goes to no, I just connected it to register, just randomly. And the wildcard, so anything. Are you a robot? The user will reply blueberries. I'm gonna say, are you sure? Just because it's something I came up with. I'm gonna press publish because that's how you save it. And then here you can see project test, and I'm gonna say hi. It's gonna say exactly what I wrote here. Hi, welcome to Coco, are you a robot? I'm gonna say yes, don't tell anyone. And then it goes to whatever is inside here. So of course you'll be able to change all this content. We'll show it all during the course, but have you heard about us? I'm gonna say yes, and then it will give me more information that's already in this chatbot. But that's basically how you build something on the hub without going into too much detail. These are the components. Some are already very ready-made, like ready-made Lego bricks, like the person with a little hat on it. And the same one is just one brick you can connect to something else and connect to more things and build whatever is on your mind. And I'm gonna stop sharing so you can share the...
And the beauty of it is that from that point, Mary can now just hit publish. Within 2 clicks of a button, she can actually deploy or publish that chatbot, that text chatbot, that weird chatbot that asks you if you're a robot. She can put that on her website now or on Facebook or whatever without any technical knowledge. She just clicks a button and it's there. She didn't show it to you, but I promise you it's there. So that's what the hub is really all about.
And I think it's important, Jason, to add that you can write the whole flow in any language, including Hebrew. The studio supports right to left languages.
Yes,
so,
very good point. Yes, we do support. So if you want to create a chatbot in Hebrew, you can do that. You can create one in French, Russian, German. We have, I think, dozens of supported languages, and even the ones that aren't supported, we have a way of you can create, even in languages like Hebrew where there isn't support, we can help you create an experience on voice and text or video.